2016 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, hard disk drive media storage, universal garage door opener, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, rear view camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.